Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make Reels on Facebook. So let's go ahead and go to Facebook right here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to be clicking on the plus icon we can see on the top right. When we click on this, we can see post, story, reel, or live. So let's go ahead and click on reel. Now, as you can see here are a few things that you can do. So you can go ahead and use camera, add music, effect, or even add green screen. So we have some other options here as well. So you can take a look at whatever is in your gallery, whatever templates there are, any saved items, any drafts, and any ready-made reels already. So let's go ahead and go into the gallery right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be choosing this one right here, but you can also, go ahead and select multiple. So let's just choose this right here. So it will process the video. Now here is the main template of your reel. So you can go ahead and add audio, text, effects, and stickers. So when we click on audio, as you can see here, we can add music, we can add a voiceover as well. So let's click on add music, and as you can see here are some music items that you can go ahead and take a look at. So if you say for example you like one of them, go ahead and click the plus on it. And there you are. So let's go ahead and click on the audio once again. You can then choose to make this louder or softer depending on how you want it. You can even add a voiceover into this as well. So go ahead and accept this, and then all you need to do is go into the slider right here, select as to where you want it to start, and then click on the recording, and here is my recorded voiceover right here. Once that you're done and you're happy with that, go ahead and click on the stop. And then once that we're happy with this, go ahead and click done on the top right. And let's go ahead and click the audio once again. As you can see, we now have the voiceover and the music combined together. So if you want to go ahead and play around with the sounds themselves, you can go ahead and do so. Once you're happy, click done once again. We can even add text into this as well. So go ahead and start typing, say something like this, and then you can go ahead and drag it wherever, make it bigger if you wanted to. You can make changes to this text also by just clicking on it, and then you have the options here at the top. So you can go ahead and add a voice to this. You can go ahead and move this around at certain periods if you want. Or you can even change the color as well if you wanted to as well. Change the font, and then also make it, put it in the middle or left or right alignment if you wanted to. So I'm going to click on done on this. And then here are a few things that you can do. You can go ahead and go on effects. And there are some available effects that you can go ahead and try. Go ahead and play around with this as well. It's all really up to you. And finally, if we take a look at the stickers right here, there are some available stickers that you can go ahead and use. So say for example here, if you want to change the style, just go ahead and click on them. Same for this one, say the time, go ahead and click on them. And then say for example, if you want to remove any of these bits out, just go ahead and hold them, and then you can drag them here at the bottom, as you can see. Right there. Now we're gonna go ahead and click on next, and as you can see here, this will allow you to then add a few descriptions onto your reels itself. So you can go ahead and describe your reel. So adding in a description, go and choose if it's going to be public or with friends, or you have some friends with exceptions. You can go ahead and tag people, add in location as well, and then you can add in some collaborators too. Once that you're happy with your reel, you can go ahead and click share now, and your reel will be posted. So let's just wait for this a little bit, and there you go. So as you can see here, we have added a new reel. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.